Hello, my name is Kathryn Shanti Ariel, and I'm here today to talk to you about some workshops that I'm going to be teaching in the Portland and Salem areas this coming May. The first of these is a workshop on telepathy and intuition and the magical bridge that they create to interconnection with humanity and with all species that live on the planet. This workshop is scheduled on May 5th from 2 until 5 o'clock in the afternoon at New Renaissance Bookshop. The information and the details for this and all my events can be found on my website, thenaturewhisperer.com, under the events listing. Some of the details of this workshop are I will be going deeply into talking about telepathy and intuition and their great importance in us attaining a state of unity on the planet. Because currently we have thousands of languages that we as humans speak. We write, we speak, we text, we're emailing, just constant communication. And yet there's a great state of disconnect occurring because communication is so much more than just words. And for we as a race, we have made it so much harder because it is not only are we speaking words, but we're speaking words in so many languages that we can't get the point across because no one knows all these different languages. So telepathy and intuition are these God-given innate capabilities that allow us to communicate on a much deeper, more clear way. Nature does this all the time. Nature utilizes telepathy and intuition, not exclusively, but in conjunction with everything they are doing. And so by learning and enhancing these innate abilities that we have as humans that have been put aside, by bringing those back in and learning how to utilize them, we can expand this great communication on a global level into a place of deep understanding because we are using things that don't require for us to know what a word translates to because we're not using words anymore. So this workshop, I will be teaching you about intuition and telepathy, a deeper understanding of their innate qualities within us that are all developed through the endocrine, the pituitary, pineal glands, and through our deep heart connection with our God selves and the divine. How we utilize those within ourselves, develop them, utilize them in humanity, and utilize them with the kingdoms of nature to bring a state of unity and harmony once again on earth. So that's May 5th from 2 until 5 at New Renaissance. The workshop I'm going to be teaching on May 12th is at the H.O.M.E Center in Salem, and this is my basic introduction called Conscious Communication with Nature. I utilize a lot of my photography to connect people with nature and the ideas of communicating and how nature communicates with us in so many different brilliant ways. Besides intuition and telepathy, they also use the doctrine of signatures, their spirit bodies, their forms tell us, give us messages. There's so many different ways that nature communicates to humanity, and they are teaching us and helping us to know until we have fully awakened to be able to be consciously communicating through telepathy and intuition and these other divine skills. So that class is on May 12th. Again, you can look at my website, thenaturewhisperer.com, under the events tab. Both of these events are listed, how to buy tickets. And if you have any questions, you can contact me at thenaturewhisperer33@gmail.com. I'm also on Facebook. So please reach out. I love to hear from you. I look forward to having you in my classes, and also know that I am developing classes online so that people all over the world who are interested in developing these skills have the ability to tap in with me, and we'll do group classes and individual consultations to develop your skills and allow you to put aside some of the technology and instead communicate and connect from this much more effective way that all of life can hear you and you can hear all of life. So thank you again. I look forward to having you in my classes, whether in person or over the net. And just thank you for showing up. Blessings.